are doing second semester portion. The first chapter of our second semester portion is comparing quantities. In that already we completed exercise 8.1. Now we are doing the exercise 8.2. In that exercise already I have completed the first 5 mains. Now today I am here to complete the exercise 8.2 for the mains 6 to 10. Okay, I hope you all are continuing the first semester fair note only. In the arithmetic fair note I think you are taking this. Yes, you continue in that only. Now the sixth main already I wrote and kept ready. Please take this all from your textbook. See, convert given percents to decimal fractions and fractions. The first one is 25%. Percentage is given here. 25% is given. This we have to write in the decimal fractions, in the decimals. Okay. See, 25% is equal to 25 by 100. Okay. This is equal to 0.25. You know how to give the decimal point when there is 100 in the denominator. Now, the same way, fractions. 25% is equal to 25 by 100. Here see 25 ones are, 25 fours are. This is 1 by 4 is the fraction. See, this is a decimal fraction and this is the required fraction. The same way we have to do for this all. B1 is 150%. See, 150% is equal to 150 by 100. Okay. Now, this is nothing but 1.50. Okay. Now, 150% is equal to 150 by 100. 0, 0 got cancelled. 5 3s are, 5 2s are, 3 by 2 is required fraction. The third one is C, that is 20%. 20% is equal to 20 by 100. This is nothing but 0.20. And the same way 20% is equal to 20 by 100. 0, 0 got cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. The required fraction is 1 by 5. This is what? Required decimal fractions and the fractions. The fourth one is D, that is 5%. 5% is equal to 5 by 100 is equal to 0.05. 5% is equal to 5 by 100, that is 5 ones are 5, 20s are, 1 by 20 is the required fraction. So this is what the sixth main. Now I am doing here, I am continuing the seventh main. The seventh question, please take from the textbook. In a city, in one city, 30% are females. That means ladies, females, girls and ladies together, females. 40% are males. Okay, and remaining are children. What percent are children? Now, first, seventh one, percentage of females. Percentage of females is 30%. Percentage of males is equal to 40%. Therefore, total percentage of female and males is equal to, see, 30 plus 40, 70%. Therefore, percentage of children is equal to percentage of children is equal to 100% minus 70% is equal to 30%. Therefore, what they asked us, what percent are children? Percentage of children is equal to 30%. So, percent of children is equal to, therefore, percent of children is equal to 30%. This is 7th one. Now, 8th one. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? Let's see, in one place 15,000 voters are there. Voters means, you know, no? The people, those who are above 18 are eligible for voting. They are called as voters. Such voters, how many are there in a place? 15,000 are there. In that, 60% of the people are voted. Now we have to find out the percentage of voters who did not vote and also the number of people who did not vote. Okay. First we will see total number of voters. You take the question from the book. Total number of voters is equal to, how many are there? 15,000 are there. Okay. Then percentage of voters voted. Percent of voters who voted is equal to 60%. Therefore, percent of voters who did not vote, is equal to 100% minus 60% is equal to 40%. Okay. Now, therefore, number of voters who did not vote is equal to, who did not vote is equal to 40% of 15,000. 40 by 100 into 15,000. Such problems we have done already. 2 zeros got cancelled. Here see, 15 fours are 60. Here 1 0, here 1 0. 6,000 voters, they did not vote. Therefore, number of voters who did not vote is equal to 6,000 voters. So this is percentage and that is number of people who did not vote. Like this you have to find out. Now the 9th one is here. Now the 9th problem. See the problem now. Meeta saves rupees 400 from her salary. Meeta is a girl. Okay. She is earning some money. What is the salary we don't know. But the amount she saves is rupees 4,000. The salary we don't know is X. From that X salary, she is saving rupees 4,000. If this is 10% of her salary. This 4,000 amount is 10% of her salary. Her salary is X. That means 10% of X is 4,000. Then what is her salary? Okay, we'll see. The amount Meeta saves. The amount Meeta saves is equal to rupees 4,000. Percentage of this savings. Percent of savings. Percent of savings is equal to 10%. Let her total salary be X. Let her total be X. Then what we have to find out, what percent, no, what it is, then the salary of Meeta is equal to 10% of X is equal to 4,000. So here this implies that 10% of X is equal to 4,000. Therefore 10% of means into X is equal to 4,000. Therefore X is equal to 4,000 into 100 by 10. When it goes that side will become reverse. So 1 0 got cancelled. X is equal to 400 into 100 is 40,000. So what is her salary? Therefore Meeta's salary, what we have to find out is what is her salary? Therefore her salary is equal to rupees 40,000. Okay, this is what 9th problem. Now the 10th and last problem of this exercise is, please go through the problem from your textbook. What is the 10th problem? We'll see. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. The local team will be there, the cricket team. They played 20 matches. It won 25% of them. Total matches they played is 20. In that 25% of them they won. Number of matches they won they didn't give. We have to find out. Percentage of the matches they won they have given. How many matches did they win? So total matches they played is equal to total matches played. How many? 20 matches. 20 cricket matches they played. Percentage of the matches they won. Okay. Percent of matches they won is equal to 25%. Okay. Now what we have to find out? How many matches did they win? Therefore, number of matches they won is equal to 25% of 20 is equal to 25 by 100 into x. Sorry, 25 by 100 into 20. 0, 0 got cancelled. Or 2 ones are 2, 5s are 5 ones are 5, 5s are. So this is 5 matches. 5 matches, they won. So this is what the 10th problem. By this exercise completed. I hope you all understood this. The next topic I am going to continue in the next session. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.